Hello, everyone. Good morning. I hope you find yourselves well today. Thank you for joining me. My name is Lily, and I appreciate you being here with me today. I want to share, or I am going to share, rather, a package that I just received over the weekend. Now, I've been holding on to this for 3 days, waiting to open it to share it with you. A few videos back, I did an opening of a package that I received from the UK, a book, an Edith Holden book that I ordered online that was shipped from the UK. And I was so excited because it was my very first ever piece of UK mail. So that was exciting. Well, this is my second one. And I briefly mentioned that I was expecting a second package from the UK. And here it is. I can't get over how it was packaged. Now, I ordered this through Etsy. Eva at Bohemian Crafting has a YouTube channel, and she also has an Etsy store. And she announced that she had this great item up for sale. And so I immediately went on and ordered it because she had something similar before and it sold out really fast. So I just want to show how she packaged, and it came across this way, all the way from the UK to little old Lehigh, Utah. And see how she uses the strips? That is where I mentioned how I got this idea to repurpose these little strips from her. She used it on packaging. She made these great little tags right here. Aren't those amazing? Oh my gosh, I am so excited. She even stamped it. This is just amazing. And you know, I'm going to cut this out and use it in my own personal junk journal. This is amazing. And I'm going to save that. Okay. Let's get to opening the package. I know, more showing, less talky. Ooh, it's stuck there. Okay, I know I could, most of you are saying, just pull it. I can, but I don't have any strength. I don't have a lot of strength in my fingers. Let me get some heavy duty scissors. Oh, okay. It was just, it got stuck to the envelope gummy. Come on, come on. That's good, though. It's packaged just right. So exciting. I just want to let you know how I am a huge fan of Eva. I just love her work. She is so freaking talented. I love her. So look at that again before I move it aside. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Eva is so talented. And if you go over, or if you're already watching her channel, she talks about how she hasn't been doing this very long, but she did it and she ran with it. She's got so much talent. So what she did is she created her print papers. Is this a present? Yes, it is a present. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Thank you so much from Eva. Wow. How amazing. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And then look, she created a sheet of her digitals of little words. Oh, I didn't know she had this. Almost like my words. My words are beginner words, you guys. But because my words don't compare to her work. Okay. Okay. She created her own pad. Her own paper pad of beautiful papers. And it's called Parcel Delay. And I'm going to link her shop down below. I don't know if she still has this pad available. I don't know. But I do know that she has digitals available. of this parcel delay. The reason I jumped on this so fast is because she had she created a pad a couple months back, and it sold out so fast. But I know I have this. Oh, let me go this way. Oh my gosh. Let me bring it up close so you could see. This is all her. And it is, I believe it's 50 pages, 50 sheets of scrapbooking, journal making, and mixed media. Oh my goodness. I am so excited, you guys. Oops, there we go. So she's got journaling cards. Look at that. Oh, and some of her collage. A lot of these items, she talks about it. A lot of these items are things that she has picked up herself. Antique items. Can you imagine? She holds this stuff. She has some of this stuff. Oh, and it looks like I get 2 sheets of each. Do I? I do. So there's, oh my goodness. And that's okay if I don't get 2 sheets, because I get 1 sheet of all of her amazing work. Just amazing. I love this. This is one of my favorite prints right there. I just love it. Wow. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Super, super excited. Are we getting enough light? I know the sun keeps going in and out. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I should have ordered 2 pads, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'll just do a quick flip through of all the pages. Look at that. I don't know if I'm going to want to cut into this. I am. I just don't know if I want to, but I will. Holy moly. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, wow. So you will definitely be seeing me use a lot of these. Oh, these are pockets. She talked about this. So it's not just journaling cards and scrapbooking paper, but also pockets. How amazing is that? And little mini file folders. How funny, because I was working on some of my own little ones. Oh, but these are so amazing, and they're already printed and beautiful. I think these are tucks. Yep, these are tucks. You fold it here, and then you have an angle, and then you seal it behind, and so it's like a little tuck pocket, a little angle tuck pocket. Ooh, an envelope. Oh my gosh, I love that each page is different. I am in love. Wow. So talented. And I'm going to go see if exactly what she has on her Etsy store for Parcel Delay, because I'm thinking I may even purchase some of the digitals, because there are some in here that I saw that I'm going to want to use over and over again. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Go check her out, you guys. Eva, the Bohemian Crafter. I'm going to link her channel below. She has amazing digitals, and the journals that she creates right here on her YouTube channel, the journals and the all of the embellishments and the way she repurposes items, she blows my mind, because she takes things that I would have never imagined to repurpose, and she transforms every little piece. So check her out. I am so happy with this. Super happy. Happy, happy, happy. Thank you so much for being here with me and sharing my little UK package from Eva. I'm so excited. And look, I just felt, I took the paper clip out, and it's all nice and rusty. Oh! Isn't that amazing? I'll journal that in my journal. Thank you so much, you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. I appreciate you being here. And if you like it, let me know in the comments below. Please give me a like if you like this video. And if you shared it, I wouldn't be upset either. You guys take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye.